of numbers we want to talk about are the decimals. So like what we did for whole numbers and fractions and mixed numbers, we want to learn how to what? Well, recognize decimals. One of the things we want to do today is to be able to write a decimal number as well as its word name, okay? And also we'll perform operations on decimals. We have to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. And perform combined operations. Okay, how do you guys read this? What do you, 20, how do you read it? 23.15. Usually you read it as 23. Let's write the English, 23, and you say point, right? 45. That is how we do it in real life, right? We say 23.45. Actually, what is the mathematical way of reading this? So this is, how do you do, what do we call this? Like informal, right? This is the informal way of reading it. Formally, if you want to do it mathematically, you say it's 23, and instead of saying point, what's the word that we use? And. And instead of 45 only, we say 45, not thousands, but what?
Over 100.
Hundreds. And maybe we can explain that next, okay? How did that become hundreds? Anybody know?
45 out of 100.
It's in the hundredths place.
Has something to do with the place value, and that's what we'll talk about next, okay? So it's the hundredths place according to Paul. So let us look at a simple example. 4, 5, 1, 7. What else do you want? 0, 8, 9. Is that enough? Okay? The 4 here is really in what place? This is the tenths place, right? Okay? The 5 is the hundredths. I don't know, maybe I'll run out of room here. The 1 is in where? The thousandths place.
So
It's kind of like we had for whole numbers, except what do you see here that we have to put at the end? PHS, right? Alright? Remember for whole numbers, we had units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, but no TH, right? If you're to the right of the decimal point, then you see you have your tenths. There's no units, okay? It's just tenths place first, then hundreds, thousands. So what's the next after?
10,000.
This will be 10,000. So do you guys get it already?
100,000.
Then this one will be 100,000, right? And what about the 8? What is it going to be called? 8 millionths, right? Just put the HS at the end. What about the 9? What is it called?
10 million.
10 millions. Do you guys get it already?
Yeah.
After 10 millions, you expect what?
100
100 millions. After 100 millions, you'll see what?
Billions.
Billions. Okay, get it?
Billions, 100
All right.
billions,
So
trillions.
let's just do a quick exercise.
There's no ones place. I don't get it.
We can do the first one together, and then you can try the next ones on your own. So if I have, let's say, so in layman would read it as 12.314, right? We want to write this in words. Why is it important to be able to write numbers in words? Again, in real life, where do we do this?
Checks.
Checks. But of course, in checks, we don't really write it like that, right? And we can show you later how we do it, let's say, for checks. Okay. But for the math of it, how do we write this? What's the first word that you write?
12.
12. Okay? So you have 12. The decimal point will always be translated as and. So that's your decimal point, right? And now we have the number 314. How do you write that number 314?
314,000.
You actually read it as you see it. You see it as 314, right? So you write it as 314. But then you have to indicate the place value, okay? Where is 314 sitting?
No, 100,000.
It's sitting in the, not 100, but what? Tenths,
or
hundreds, this
thousand.
is thousands. Did you guys understand that? It's in that spot. Let's actually just modify that problem a little bit.
At the end of the decimal, right? Oh, I see.
Let's say I had the same thing, almost the same, right? Okay? What is the only change that will happen here?
Instead of 314,000, so it would be
100,000.
31,000.
It will still be 12, right? Correct?
Yes.
And you don't have to capitalize it, okay? Do you still read the same thing, right? Which is what?
314.
314 is still what you see. You guys agree? So basically to the right of the decimal point, you read it like a whole number. You get that? You read it like a whole number, it's 314. But then what do I write in purple? I don't know. This is tenths, hundreds, thousands. So this must be 10,000. Sorry about that. I should have watched. Okay.
No, my fault.
No, it's okay. It's my fault. I should listen.
No, it's my
So 14, 10,000. Okay, let's do the same guy. Okay. Is that going to be fun or what? Well,
Placing the value, right?
and 314.
10,000.
So you see how you don't even have to change anything, right? But then now, who will
10
change?
millions.
In purple, you have to write the place value, right? Okay, let's do it carefully.
10 million.
Tenths, hundreds, right? Thousands,
10,000.
10,000s,
100,000.
100,000s,
Million.
millions, 10 millions, right? Okay? So therefore, the place value is 10 million. Did you guys